Here we've got Oppo A52, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate touch sounds on the following device. So, as you can hear currently, it is not active, so you do not hear any click of mine. But if you would like to change it, if you would like to apply touch sounds in your device, just go to the settings, find and select sound and vibration, go a bit lower, and here you will notice touch sounds, so just mark them, and from now on you will be able to hear every click. And this is how it works, so enjoy, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.